in the 21st century. As China joined the WTO, the glorious name, created in China, from Made in China, has inspired Chinese enterprises to advance bravely. From depending on import to independent production, China is becoming the largest textile machinery manufacturing country in the field of textile industry worldwide. Xingang, devoting itself to the warp knitting mechanical manufacturing industry in 2004, is a company integrating scientific research and development, production and processing, assembly, management and sales, as well as after-sales services. After 10 years of development, Xingang has developed into a global guider of warp knitting mechanical manufacturing. Xingang textile machinery, by its quality products, accounts for over 90% of sales quota in Chinese market, leading the industrial direction and creating a brand new opportunity for the warp knitting industry.
在中国花边行业过程中，丁港纺机可以说在我们全国范围还没有出现过这样一个企业有这么大的影响力，而且在新港纺机的不断创新的过程中，给我们这个行业提供了很大的机会，创造了很大的效益，这是一个共赢，也是体现了一个企业核心价值的完美体现。
High benefit brings about stronger competitiveness. Xingang keeps creating faster and better equipment to boost the promotion of benefit for customers, so as to further the development of the whole industry. So it is a win-win situation, and even an embodiment of Xinggang's corporate value. Xingang, by its powerful scientific research strength and keen market trends, has developed technology-leading knitting machinery for the industry. In the past 10 years, Xingang has obtained over 30 national patents successively, promoting the upgrading of wrap knitting machinery. Xinggang's full computer wrap knitting machines of all types have reached the world-leading level in terms of speed and production efficiency, as it is the wrap knitting machinery with self-sufficient technology and independent innovation. Its cost performance is far more than that of the same products at home and abroad.
过去300转，现在每分钟900转，而且纯电脑控制，运行稳定。我们欢迎这样的改变，高效率意味着高回报。
我们公司以前进过进口的花边机，一台要好几百万，现在我们引进新港设备，用原来购买一台的钱，可以买到新港的现在3台。
Boasting the new machine model, new technology, new highlights, and a new height, XGM 43/1 is the latest product developed by Xingang, and the best and the fastest multi-guide bar high-speed jacquard warp knitting machine in the world at present, which is characterized by low noise, small swing, little yarn break, and high operating ratio. With a speed of 950 RPM, it is 50% faster than machines of the same industry, and the output of 1.5 times of that of other machines. Meanwhile, the biggest advantage of this machine is that it can operate stably under normal temperatures and weigh various patterns as well, even in temperature differences of ±8 degrees in the workshop.
通过加入具有耐温差特性的碳纤维材料之后，新的一代机台可以在常温下运作，这是一个重要的革新。我相信这将会是今天机械一个新的起点。
Xingang can solve problems for enterprises and lead the design trend of automation, intelligence, and energy conservation. Besides, the company has put labors and materials into the research project to keep sustainable innovation and vitality. Xingang people have produced generations of warp knitting machines, and with the gradual realization of integration of the whole factory, electrical control and automation, the production efficiency will be improved greatly. Xingang provides superior products for the industry and pays high attention to production management and quality management. Moreover, it has successfully passed 3 system certifications of ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OSAS 18001. Xingang provides outstanding services for customers, strives to complete the after-sales service system, and spares no effort to guarantee the smooth and efficient production. Xingang, adhering to the management tenet of joint development and mutual benefits, continuously develops products meeting the requirements of the times for the world and offers better machines, technology, services, and return. To make all people enjoy a beautiful tomorrow is the value of Xingang.
随着国内外花边行业竞争越来越激烈的今天，新港经过多年的创新，将给这个行业提供高效率、低成本、高回报的最新的花边设备。这些设备投入将为这个行业真正的实行新的一轮的洗牌，并且为客户与新港跟这个行业实行真正的共赢、真正的成长，成为现实。
Design the better machinery to build a sound and powerful industrial kingdom, and we firmly believe that to discover the strength of the machinery will contribute to industrial progress and make our life more beautiful. Adhering to integrity and the spirit of inclusiveness, we jointly march forward with peers in the same industry. This is not only a piece of sky belonging to the wise men, but also a journey for the brave. The values and contributions to the world embody Xinggang's missions and glories. Every creation will bring brand new challenges, and every time of cooperation will open a brand new tomorrow. Xingang, win the future together with the world.